But in this session, we will discuss about the special type of the permission. We will discuss about the special permission of the type. For the example, there is a one group, marketing group, and there is a two members like marketing group. When we will implement the permission on the marketing group, so it will be automatically inherit on all the available users inside it. But if I want to provide the special permission to any user, so how I can do it? We can do it by using the special permissions. So what are the special permissions and how we can implement these permissions, we will discuss in this session. So there is a two type of the permissions. So before first you will have to understand about the SUID, set user ID. Another is a set group ID. So user ID and group ID we have discussed already, but this type of the security permission implement and allows the specified user to have a similar permission to the owner without being the owner. For the example, there is a Vijay owner. Vijay user is a owner. Okay, it have created a permission, but there is another user like there is a one user is XYZ. This user is not owner of the file 1. When I will set the SUID to this particular file, so this user will have the similar permission as a owner permission. Got it? Means SUID allow the specified user to have a similar permission to the owner without being the owner. So and all the files and commands if exist then can be executed as the owner. And similar in a group ID allow the group associated with a directory to be inherited by the files which will be created inside a directory. Okay, so how you can do that? So you can use the chmod, and if you want to enable the SGID, then you will use the G+S and specific directory. This is the command which you can use to implement this type of the configuration. Another type of the permission, it is called sticky bit. Sticky bit is type of the permission when we will enable this sticky bit of any file which is protected or having such other type of the permission. So this type of the file, for the example, there is a one user 1, okay, user 1, and here is another user 2, user 1 and user 2, both are the member of the marketing group. Both are the member of the marketing group. So if there is a file 1 which having the permission read and write permission, so user 1 can read and write, user 2 can read write, because it is inherited by the group, the permission inherited by the group. But when I will implement the sticky bit permission, this permission sticky bit, so this file user 1 cannot delete. Only the user 2 who is the owner can delete the file. Either the root can delete the file, means owner can delete file or root can delete file. Other person will not be deleted this file. Got it? So that is the usefulness of the sticky bit. For the example, I am one person and I have created a file inside the marketing folder, but accidentally any user can delete the file. So I will use the sticky bit. So in this case, not any user which belongs to the marketing group will able to delete this file. So that is the sticky bit. Another is type of the chatter command. Another type of the permission, it is called attribute permission. So attribute, when implemented, it will be display here like this, but you will have to use this command to check this attribute, ls setter. This command will be used, so it will display the attribute. When you implement this attribute, then neither the user, neither the owner, neither the root user can delete this file. Nobody can neither delete file, neither can modify the file when we will implement or enable this attribute, or it is called immune attribute. So this immutable attributes can be implemented by using this command chatter plus I. So when it will be implemented, so this file will not be able, or nobody can delete this file. So if you will find any type of the problem, then you can troubleshoot by using the ls-l command to check the permission, and chmod command can use, and also check the confirm the SUID permission is set correctly or not, and also check for the SGID permission is set correctly on the directory, and all the files which exist inside the directory will be inherit the group association, and also confirm the sticky bit. So until you will not do the practical, you cannot understand. So let's start the practical.